Need to set up a payment gateway on Zoho Books? Let me show you exactly how to get it done. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Zoho Books. What we want to do on the top right hand side is going to settings, and here we want to look for that payment gateways. Okay, and here, quite simply, self-explanatory, you can actually see that there are a bunch of different online payment methods. Okay, you can also accept payments from all major debit and credit card networks through supported payment gateways. So in this case, for me, it will be Stripe, and it'll be different in every region depending on what you have available in your region. So for example, if we want to set up Stripe, we're going to go and click on Set Up Now, and it'll redirect you to this page over here. Here you're going to go ahead and add in your Stripe email address. You'll see over here that it'll ask you which account you would like to connect with. Now, if it's not this account, you can go ahead and create a new one, but for now, we're going to say connect. You'll now also have to do a verification for ID. You can skip this step for now. And now you can select an account for payments. So whichever one of these banks you're with, you're going to go ahead and click on that bank. And if it's not in this list, you're going to go ahead and click on Enter Bank Details manually instead. So once you've added your bank and you have added in all the details, you find yourself back on this page over here. It'll take a little bit of time for you to actually have it activated. But over here, you can see that it says integration status active. I've now connected Stripe. So that is now one of my payment gateways. Now, if you'd like to go ahead and use any one of these other methods, all you literally have to do is click on it. Let's say, for example, PayPal, which is a very popular option. Go ahead, click on Set Up Now, and you'll pretty much go through the same process of connecting that account with your Zoho Books account.